Okay, CAFO stands for, it's a C instead of a K, Concentrated Animal Feeding Operations. And they're defined by the US EPA because the US EPA actually puts limitations on them because they can be quite a big environmental hazard if not regulated. There's about 15,500 CAFOs in the US. It has to do with number of days that animals are confined. It has to do with animals being confined in an area without vegetation, so like a solid floor or a human built structure, and the size of the facility that they're in, which depends on the type of animal that's being confined. And CAFOs are regulated. CAFOs are regulated by the U.S. government, by the federal government, because of the potential for environmental impact, very big environmental impact. The point of a CAFO is to concentrate as many animals as possible in a small area. And what that does is also concentrate the potential for harm coming from coming from the byproducts of those animals and the byproduct of operation. It concentrates that harm, which can then sort of magnify environmental impact. So impacts then that the EPA regulates has to do with water under the Clean Water Act, because anything that's, animals create a lot of waste. A lot of animals in a small space create a lot of waste. It's not a traditional farming practice where you can simply spread the manure out back on the farm. You have to actually do something with it. And as we're seeing heavy rains or bad mechanisms to do that can lead to releases into water.